Welcome back to another episode of my trading vlog. Getting an early go here in the morning because GameStop had a big price move higher. Why is that? Well, of course, it was the news. I have this theory that a lot of these meme stocks just move this way because of news, because of attention. That's it. GameStop stock is soaring, reports Barron's. Why though? Cohen's RC Ventures paid $10 million for 443,000 shares of GameStop. $10 million on a stock that has a capitalization towards $7 billion is really not a lot, right? But it hit the news. That's why. I think if Brian Cohen wants to see this thing squeeze, all he's got to do is keep GameStop in the headlines for a while, and that should do the trick, right? Probably. That would probably really be it. Look at this massive, exuberant push higher we saw 5 minutes before market open. 5 minutes before market open, this thing shot way back up. Looking at it on the daily time frame, it's just dirty. This is a dirty thing to do. Send the stock from a close of 24.30 way up to 26.20 just to have that thing sell off, shooting for a gap fill, being rejected at that 25.51 level. Insane. The volume is really coming in. Volume is still very high, currently at 6.5 million shares, and we're only about 90 minutes into the trading session. This is not where you want to see the volume. You want to see the volume pushing price higher. This is going to be a high volume top if the price can't get back above 25.51 and hold there. It doesn't look like it's going to. What this will probably do is create a trading range that GameStop will be stuck in for a very long time, between $20 and $25. Probably a lot of bouncing around through there. I would have to guess. If it's possible to get a green candle out of the day with this much volume, then we're going to start talking about bullish price targets again. And I've had some old targets at 31.28, and I thought we were going to get there when we closed above that 25.51 level, but then the news came out, they fired the CEO, and well, price tanked. We've been rebounding since, and I said we're going to watch it and wait to see what happens at 25.51. You're seeing it now. It's a high volume top. What a dirty thing to do. What a dirty, dirty thing. This is crazy. Just ridiculous. I really don't expect a rally at this point. Never say never, though. Cap, what's the potential upside here? We know you don't think it's going to go up, but what if it does? I would probably just do a simple ABC through here and say maybe 27.16 or 28.46. If we can get back above these significant highs at 26.45, this is going to be like a liquidity zone through here. A lot of selling coming in, a lot of selling. I think if I actually turn on the active trader, this will give us an idea of where the volume is coming in at 25.23. A lot of volume coming in here. That would probably be supporting the price, you would think, right? But let's actually zoom in on that really quickly. Whoops. It's kind of cool. Right, it's 25.23. You can see on the left side of my screen that blue box and that blue line that shows that rejection right here. Probably occurred on this candle, though, this green candle. Yeah, that's probably how it works. Remember, OBV is kind of broken because if the stock price is higher than it was the day before, all of the volume gets counted towards OBV positively. So if price gaps up and then an incredible amount of short volume comes in and pushes the stock down, as long as the close is above the prior day's close, all of that short volume is added positively to the OBV. So the OBV then reads up as the stock ticks down. Everyone cries divergence, it's going to pop higher, but really it's just the way that the indicator works. It's very possible that the short volume would come in at, like, for example, at 25.12. I don't know what volume is short and what volume is not short. I can't see that much data. I don't have it available. Nonetheless, let's kind of scroll up here. I want to see what the volume looks like up here towards 26. Let's see. We got a big resistance zone at 25.72. It looks like that might have actually been a bounce right here that brought that volume in. 25.23. Let's go higher. Let's go higher. Here we go. Now we're talking. Whoa. I think it ticks with the price, which makes it kind of hard. Oh, yep. See, it resets. That's not what I'm wanting. 26.25. So that's a lot of volume right there. Huge level of resistance at 26.25. Maybe I move my resistance there from 26.45 to 26.25. Nonetheless, you get the idea. This is crazy. This is meme stock 101. Sell the news. No, not always sell the news, because sometimes news is what sends it higher, right? It's sell after the rally on the news. I should just start a whole thing kind of tracking that and see what that performance is like. Let's just check on AMC really quick just to see what's going on there. A little price push higher. This thing is barcoding during like regular trading hours. This is crazy. The AMC crowd is like sleeping. They're gone. They don't care anymore, I don't think. I mean, geez, after the lawsuit and everything, it's just brutal. Anyway, that's all. Happy trading.